Did a software update break the cssguard64.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's fix the library mismatch and get Localized security manifest running again. I've linked the primary utility for cssguard64 in the description to help you skip the manual fix. This is the cssguard64, a specialized security guard 64-bit module. It manages unmanaged memory address protection and facilitates the orchestration of secure process manifests to prevent unauthorized code injection into high-integrity system data links. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. This is a critical Windows system integrity issue. You should run the system file checker by opening command prompt as an administrator and executing sfc/scan now, allowing Windows to automatically repair core architecture files like cssguard64.dll. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered cssguard64 component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. The version of cssguard64.dll found on most download sites is often compiled for different hardware, which can cause your CPU to work harder or crash. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. For long-term system reliability, the repair resource linked in the description includes information on managing cssguard64 references. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for cssguard64, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.